Okay, the first thing you want to do before you get to this point, obviously, is drill your hole. Should be about 6 inches, and then you can run your electrical cable. Make sure you turn off the power when you're working on this. And this is the box you get. You have to add one of these into the side so that you can put your electrical cable through. So you punch out this hole with a screwdriver, screw on one of these things, and then you're going to run your electrical cable into that. Again, make sure you have your power turned off while you do this. You really don't need too much electrical cable in here. So just kind of run it through there. Okay. Screwdriver, and then tighten that up. If you have access to your attic or something easier than I do, then you could just go up there, screw this in, and then run the wire through. In my case, it's not very easy to get up there. So I'm going to do all this electrical work down here. And just tighten this up. As tight as you can get it. Okay. And then there's still 2 holes you can mount it to. There's a stud up here that I can mount it to, but before you do any of that, I may just leave it loose. You want to make sure there's a little bit, stripped away. If not, you could strip it a little bit better. This one looks fine, and just push it in one of these holes and kind of wiggle it on. Pull it, make sure it's tight, and that's all you got to do there. So there's the white wire. White goes to white, black goes to black. Okay, kind of fit it in there, and then the ground goes to the yellow. And that will be the only wire that you should have anything exposed in the box. And that's it. Get everything in there. Close it up so I can mount it up here. And then I'm going to take this. We're going to connect it back to this, the light. Okay, and then just make sure that you twist this on. All right, that's good and tight. So this would go up there. I'm just going to push it up there for now. Just let it stay loose. Okay, but you can mount that. And then I'm going to fold this up. One thing I did do is I put some caulking around the edge here. If you don't do that, you'll get a lot of that white powder from the drywall just getting all over everything. But if you do like a bead of silicone, it will definitely help. And just push it on. And there we go. Perfect. Looks good. That's all it takes. Thanks for watching.